Good morning. We're starting our morning with some hibiscus tea that I put a little lemonade and a little honey in and poured it over ice, just like I do every morning. Sometimes I'll use peach and spearmint and mint, and today I just did hibiscus. I hope you're having a wonderful morning. And today we're going to start our day with preparing our hummingbird feeders and doing a little watering in the garden. Because today is going to be a pretty hot day. I thought I'd start my morning early and water some things in the garden. And I'll have to go back out this afternoon and water everything again. Because I think it's going to reach near 100 degrees today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. We're going to work on our flowers out front. First thing, if you have a hanging basket, like this one, it doesn't get air movement. Shake it a little bit. Helps remove those dead flowers. Because this one gets moved when the wind blows. That one doesn't. Here's our flowers out front. Our little yellow flowers is coming out. They look really pretty. I'm going to be watering. I came out to water because it is going to be almost 100 degrees today. We went from freezing cold to oven hot. Let's fill our hummingbird feeder. This is 2 parts of water, which would be 2 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, and we boiled it and made it so the sugar dissolved. And any excess I put in the refrigerator for the next. Okay, we got our first one hung up, and there's our clematis. Isn't she pretty? And now we're going to go over and do the next one. Next one, we got it all hung up. And I don't know if you remember, I think I videoed. There's the cucumbers we planted. There's the carrots we planted. And hold on. Over here, we got some beets, and we got to get these watered. And we got some potatoes and some carrots coming up in this other one. And that's what we got coming up so far. And of course we got our basil.